How to set up HP Deskjet printer to Wi-Fi. You will go to learn today 2 easy methods. Let's do it. Using WPS method? Steps 1. Ensure that your Deskjet printer supports WPS push-button mode and your router has a WPS button. Steps 2. Press the wireless button for 3 seconds or until the wireless light flashes. Steps 3. Now go to your router, press and hold the WPS button until the WPS light blink on your router. Steps 4. When the wireless light stops blinking on your printer, the printer has successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Method 2. Using HP Smart App? Steps 1. First, you need to set the printer into setup mode. For this, go to Control Panel. Steps 2. Press and hold the wireless and cancel button till the power button flashes. Then release it. Steps 3. The Wi-Fi light starts blinking, indicating that the printer has entered setup mode. Steps 4. Open HP Smart App and click on the plus button to add your printer. Steps 5. Click Continue on the printer setup screen. Step 6. On Connect Printer to Wi-Fi screen, enter your password and click Connect.